InnoTruth wide baby gate for dogs, auto-close pet gate 29 to 39.6 width with 30 height, tall safety coverage for stairs, doorways, bedrooms, wall pressure mount. Larger coverage area, InnoTruth baby gate adjust from 29 to 39.6 in width and boasts an impressive 30 in height to make it easier to cover standard stairways, hallways, door openings, and other accessible points you want to block off. Dual lock safety design. Our baby gate features two distinct locking features to add even more home protection, including a pull and lift locking system as well as a safety latch on the bottom of the gate that locks our safety child gate entirely. Wall-friendly installation. There are adjustable pressure screws on either side of our dog gate, which means it won't damage walls and installs quickly and easily with minimal effort. It's even the perfect pet gate for small indoor puppies. Smart auto-close feature. Along with a two-way step-through door, this baby gate for stairs and other areas of the house automatically closes at 30 and 90 degrees to help prevent kids or prevents from trying to sneak in behind you once you pass through.